Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's Oscar, and we're back again with another market recap. Haven't done one in about a week. Last week was pretty busy. I was trying to get my portfolio for the design program at my school buttoned up and everything like that, having to do that. But we're off to a kind of end of the week update, I guess we could say, 'cause today's Thursday. Gonna do another one probably tomorrow. Earlier this week, I did trade SPY puts. I think I did about a $250 trade. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, I had SPY puts going again. But I believe it was Tuesday we ended up rallying up. So my SPY puts basically got destroyed at 60%. But today was a little bit different. I did trade SPY calls today, which were amazing. As you can see, today was a freaking rally of a day. We did gap down from yesterday, which I was expecting to fill this gap, no problem. But I wasn't expecting a rally like this. So we did pretty much end up hitting 441, 440, high 440s. But this gap fill right here was the main idea on my kind of agenda this morning. So I did something a little bit different that I don't usually do. I went ahead and grabbed some. Let's see. So the time I entered the trade, I think it was SPY was just around 434. So I basically bought at the money calls, which I don't usually do because usually they're a little bit more pricey, but I did have a little bit more money in my account. So I went ahead and bought two 434 calls at 268 a piece. And that is kind of where this blue line is right here, at 941. So kind of looking here, it was about 11 minutes into the market. I saw this kind of right here. We tried going down, quickly recovered, and started the uptrend right there. So pretty good right there. Pretty quickly, I was up here at 10 o'clock. I had been sitting kind of watching it. Up here, I think I was up like 250 or close to $300 in profit even then. I should have jumped out there. Either that or I should have just held the calls all the way to the end of the day, which would have been major bank. But still, great quality trade today. Like I said, I think we got up here. I was somewhere around 300. Now, somewhere around here, I was up 300. Now, we did come down, and I guess we did kind of break below or at where I entered as far as SPY's price. Plus with theta, I guess we could say the options were kind of decaying a little bit at this bottom point right here, where we were sitting. Let's see here. This bottom point here where we were kind of at low 434s, 434.10. I think I was down like $60 right there. So I was really hoping that we were going to start going up again. I did see a supply and demand chart where basically the high right here where we did touch was the I guess the top of the supply, or I don't exactly know which is the supply and the demand supply and demand zone, but this basically high right here was the tip top of it, and this bottom here was the bottom of it. So we jumped off there and started just rallying towards the end of the day. And I guess at this point, my goal was like 120 or something in profit, or $100. Because being up here almost close to 300, I was like, I should have taken it, should have sold. Because I did take a screenshot of something really close to 300. I think it was like 274, which I should have, like I said, sold right there, but didn't, and kind of watched this go all the way down. But then we started to go back up, and I believe right before I sold was right before I had a phone call I had to take. So kind of want to get my mind off of it and not worry about it, which I did watching. I mean, I did end up watching the chart kind of continue going up, and I sat there looking at what the premiums would have been for the options, and I think towards the end of the day, back here at this major spike in the last minute, these 434 calls ended up being like $6 or $600 a piece. So that would have been 1,200. That would have been well over $600 in profit in just one day if I would have held them all the way to the end. Even if I would have held them up to this point here, it would have been really close to $600 in profit. But still very happy with what I did get. Was $115 in profit after, I believe it's like $1 or $2 in commission for the options. So really nice day. Super happy with how it went, and hopefully I can just continue this into tomorrow and into next week, and so on and so forth, and kind of dig myself out of the hole that I've kind of began at the beginning of this year. But I don't know, days like this bring some good light into my life and kind of keep me going forward. So really excited about this. Hopefully tomorrow I can do the same, even come out with a little bit of profit, and we'll have to see. So thanks again for watching the video, guys. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. It only takes a second. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like, put your comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.